Hey guys, and welcome back to day 2 of packing and cleaning and getting ready for the beach. Today we went to preschool and visited the teacher, and I spent way too long and hurt myself trying to get Mickey on his bag. And then there's a project and stuff, so we're actually missing the first week of school because we are headed to the beach, like you guys know. So I was trying to get that stuff done, and then I should have just kept cleaning and packing because pretty much everything that I cleaned yesterday has kind of gotten destroyed. But I need to finish packing. I got Todd's food ready. Ooh, Jackson's nap is almost over. He slept on the floor today by the door, but he just went back in and hit the aquarium and went back to sleep in bed. So I'm just gonna let him do his thing and try and get me packed. But yeah, Todd's food now is in the bag. That is in the car with our niece's birthday gift because her birthday is, I think, Saturday or Sunday. So I'm gonna give that to the in-laws, but I'll share with you guys kind of what's in Jackson's bag right now. Okay, so this is his current bag. It's just kind of a little duffel bag. It's this American Tourister kind of suitcase. So we'll be there for about a week. So I have 2 jackets in here. I have some t-shirts right up here. Then we have a couple pairs of pajamas, some socks, 3 pants, a bunch of shorts. Here are the books that I am bringing. I'll probably bring another one too. So wanted to kind of keep a theme of preschool starting and then the ocean in summer because this is our last kind of summer fling. And then we have a whole bunch of bathing suits. They do have a washer dryer in the condo we're staying at. So I didn't think I needed too much stuff, but I still need to pack his passies, a pillow, a blanket, his aquarium, and toothbrush, that kind of stuff. In here is kind of anything we may need, my medical supplies. We are currently potty training, so I think I do have underwear and stuff in here as well. But we are currently potty training and stuff, so that's why I needed to pack kind of more shorts and pajamas and stuff. Have a thermometer in here, some Band-Aids, a hairbrush, some Tylenol, Benadryl, nail clippers, and kind of diaper bag kind of stuff. So that is what's in here, but I will probably do the rest of his stuff a little bit later. We still have Friday, tomorrow, and then we leave Saturday. So mainly most of his stuff is packed. I'll just do a couple of random other stuff, and I've been doing laundry like crazy. So I'm gonna start pulling and figuring out what I'm gonna wear. So I did a lot of my kind of cleaning that way. I'll probably grab some summer sundresses and throw in there some tank tops, t-shirts, that kind of stuff, and then maybe 1 or 2 sweaters. But it's just a week at the beach, and do want to kind of use the most of my summer clothes as I can.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you.
So Jackson is up before I can even get any packing done. I can't find my toiletry bag, so I'll try and do that, but let's go say hi. So tonight we're actually headed to Isaac's parents' house for Jackson to have some grandparent time. But I mean, guys, look at what happened to my clean kitchen. Yeah, so I'm gonna definitely have to be working on that more today. And say hi. So we're gonna go to the beach.
Say Halloween.
Happy Halloween. We love Halloween here. But I'm gonna get him some food and I have everything. He helps me pack a little bit. I didn't share with you because he would have been all into that camera. But I'm gonna give him a little bit of food so he has something to snack on before we head to Grandma and Papa's. Hey guys, so it is the day before we leave. I have a whole lot of packing to finish doing, cleaning. Everything pretty much that I cleaned before has gotten completely trashed. Right now, I am kind of getting my toiletry bag all set up. I also need to hand wash some of these face masks because we will still be wearing face masks when we go to the beach. But I'm doing that. I have like our beach towels, pool towels and stuff. I'll have to figure out how to pack that. Jackson's stuff is still coming along. I have my suitcase pretty much packed. I need to get a couple more bathing suits. And then in this little, what is this called? Like a bag. It's really neat because you can put like your underwear up here and your bras. So I will be putting my undergarments in there. I have a little box that I started picking out just different activities and things he can do while we are in the condo, like little puzzles, balancing game, a couple of cars, things like that, dinosaurs. But majority of like the heavy duty packing is done. Also have like a full set of sheets and a queen set of sheets because we do need our own sheets for the condo. But today's the big packing day. So hashtag no nap. Yeah, so I'm just getting his diaper box ready right now with pull-ups and some nighttime diapers because I don't really want that many accidents while we're gone. So we have two jackets in his box, but I also wanted to grab his rain his rain jacket, swim things when it's tomorrow morning, his aquarium, passies, his 2 stuffed animals, and his pillow will be in there as well.
Where's my phone?
Say ho ho ho.
Where's my phone go?
I don't know.
Yeah.
So I know my room looks a hot mess, but we are to the depths of finishing up packing for tomorrow. My hubby is all packed up right here. Just had to pack himself. I have a toy bin here just full of different kind of little toys and books, activities that I showed you. This is my toiletry makeup bag. Then I have like more toiletries for Jackson and I. My laptop case, our beach bag was able to fit like 6 towels and stuff in there. I still need to like put the like stuff needed for bed in Jackson's. This bag right here will be for anything needed for me during the car ride. My suitcase is all packed up. Jackson's bath seat, I have a sheet and towel box, and I think that's it. Downstairs I do have a bag for like some of his cups and plates. I need to get his snacks ready, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead, finish cleaning up this area and take a shower soon and get ready for bed. But thank you guys so much for watching this clean and pack with me. Definitely gets a little crazy towards the end, like it probably does for all of y'all, but I'm excited to share the vlogs coming very soon. I'll be taking you guys along with us on our Myrtle Beach trip, so be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.